There is no country in the world that welcomes immigrants like the United States of America. The United States of America is regarded as the land of opportunity, a country where you can go from nobody and rise to the top. The US economy is regarded as the largest economy in the world with a total size of GDP of more than 26 trillion US dollars. There is also no country on earth that has the highest numbers of pathways for people to migrate like the US. In this short video, I'm going to show you two pathways that you can easily use to migrate to the US. In case you have any slight doubt why you should watch this video, here are some reasons why you must not miss this video. You will be paid to take part in a program in America. Your flight will be paid for. Accommodation will be provided. Your meals will be provided. And one of the programs is paying as much as $4,300 for you to take part in this program. And the other one is paying $630 US a week for you to take part in this program. You do not need to have English language proficiency test. This program, taking part in this program, it's a vital opportunity for you to network and build valuable relationship with some of the most highly influential and best brains in the world. Having this organization on your CV, your life will never be the same again. And also, if you are selected for this program, no embassy in the world will deny you visa because you will have a letter-headed paper from two of the most reputable and trusted and respected institutions in the US. There is no way any embassy will ever deny you visa. These are some of the reasons why you must not ignore this video. There will be links at the description section for you to apply. These two programs that I'm about to share with you, one of them, the deadline is on the 6th of January, and the second one, I believe, is on the 5th. There will be links there for you to read up on this program. So make sure you start gathering your information that you need in order for you to start the process of applying for these two programs. In case you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Francis. I do videos to teach people how to legally migrate to new countries without them needing to spend money on lawyers or agents. The information that I provide in this video have been rigorously researched by a team of experts. We want to help as many people as possible to legally migrate abroad without them needing to spend money on lawyers and agents. It is therefore in your best interest, if you're considering migrating 2024, to consider subscribing to this channel, because we want to help as many people as possible to legally migrate abroad without them needing to spend money on lawyers or agents. The comment that you leave in the comment section, we will always respond to the comment. We do not charge to provide this video. The only thing that we charge for is our one-to-one consultation, and there is no obligation for you to use them. The information that I'm providing you now is enough for you to kickstart your migration journey. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so that when we release video, you'll be among the first to know. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, consider subscribing to this channel, because this channel is changing life. So let me quickly show you now the first program that you can apply for, and you'll be paid to come to the US, your flight, your visa assistance, you'll be paid whilst you're in US, and you get free accommodation to take part in one of these two programs. So let me show you now. So this is the first internship that I'm going to show you guys today, my people. This internship is a fully funded internship. As you can see from the top here, this is the Woodhull Summer Internship for 2024. This internship is going to take place in the United States of America. It's a 12 weeks fully paid internship program. Okay, so I want to quickly show you here what it says here. Okay, the Wood Hole Summer program will cover airfare, ticket, accommodation, meal, stipend. Stipend means the amount of money that they will be paid for you to take part in this program, and visa assistance. So they will give you the document you need for you to go to the American Embassy and apply. So this is a 10 to 12 weeks program, fully funded. Again, as you can see, the deadline for this internship is on the 5th of February. So if you know anyone that wants to take part in this program, please make sure you share this video with them so that they can start gathering information for this program as soon as possible. So the benefit of this program includes $680 a week. That's what you'll be paid. Round trip travel to US, you'll be paid for your flight, and you will be provided accommodation, and you'll be provided assistance for you to apply for the J1 visa. That's the visa you need to take part in this program. So in terms of who are those that can take part in this program, you need to be someone that studied things like biology, chemistry, engineering, geology, geophysics, mathematics, methodology, physics, oceanography, marine policy, and other related fields. Those are the people that will take part in this program. This program starts between it starts in May next year. It's for someone who you need to be in year 3. So if you're doing a 4 years course in your university, you need to be from year 3 for you to take part. If you're doing a master's, you can still take part in this program as well. So what you need to do, you need to upload your CV. You need to have an unofficial letter from your university, at least 3 letters from your people that know you from the university, like your professor, to recommend you. You need to have a personal statement as well, and you need to have a completed course record listing on the graduate coursework that you've undertaken. And let me show you now what this program entails. This one, the most important thing I want to quickly show you, this is officially from the organizers of the conference's website. I want to quickly show you something to do with finance, because this is very important. Money is very important. So here it says here, they will provide you support for you to apply for the visa. You get $680 every week for taking part in this program. So they will also provide you support with accommodation. And how do we now apply for this very program? In order to apply for this program, is very, very simple. All you need to do is, let me quickly go back because I've already started creating. So you go on this place, you put your email at the top, you put your first name there, you put your last name there. You just put any date there, you put your date of birth there. For the sake of this one, I'm just going to create this one just for you to see. You put this, then the next thing you go to the next page where they will send a PIN to your email to verify your email. You put a PIN there. Once you put the PIN there, you put your date of birth there, and you log in. You will now have a profile. Once you have a profile, that is how you'll be able to create your account. Once you create your account, that's where you'll be able to upload your personal statement, your supporting document, which is what you need. Once you are then selected for this program, you'll be formally informed, and they will send you a confirmation to say you have been selected from this program, and you will take it to the US Embassy in your home country. No US embassy anywhere in the world will deny you visa if you have a letter-headed paper from a reputable institution such as the Wood Hole Oceanography Institute. Is a highly reputable and respected institution in the US. Your visa is sure to be granted. Okay, you need to make sure that you have a valid visa and you meet other US requirements, such as not being somebody who is or who has criminal record or who has been banned from traveling to the US. So those are the things that you need to be mindful of how you can apply for this program. Let me quickly show you how you can apply for the second program now. Now the second program again takes place in the US. It's a fully funded program. It takes place in June, between the June 24th to the 23rd of August. The deadline for you to submit your application for this one is on the 5th of February. This one, what are the benefits? You will be paid $4,200 US dollars for taking part. They will provide you support with travel arrangement. That they will also give you a letter for you to take to the US Embassy. You'll be given support with housing and meal on campus. This one is taking place at the University of California in the United States of America. You will be given support for your visa application. And who are the students that can take part in this one? This one, you need to be someone that studied mathematics, statistics, or computer science. If there's anyone you know who studies or who is currently studying mathematics, statistics, or computer science, or recent graduate in this discipline, please kindly share this video with them, because you could be transforming someone's life by doing that. Okay, that is all you need in order for you to apply for this. You need to be between the age of 18 years and you've studied one of these disciplines. And how do you need to apply for this one? You need to upload your CV, your transcript, two reference letter from somebody that knows you from your institution. You also need to upload it to the website. Again, once you have done this, all you need to do is you go on the website. I'll quickly show you now. It's very, very simple. Just for you to know that the RIFS summer internship is taking place in California between the 24th of June to the 23rd of August. Okay, so let me show you now how you apply for this one. This one is very, very straightforward again. So you go on this website. This is their website. You put your email at the top, you put your password there, then you create an account. If you're seeing value for what you're hearing so far, consider subscribing to Launch Club Media. In the last 5 days, we have released different internships, such as the internship from IMF, the Henceforth Foundation, internship in Canada. We are scanning the internet. We have a team of dedicated staff who are looking for opportunity for you to be able to migrate without you needing to spend money on lawyers or agents. Consider subscribing to Launch Club Media if you haven't done so, because we want to help as many people as possible to legally migrate abroad without them needing to spend money on lawyers or agents. So your 2024, if you want to achieve your dream, make sure you share the good news about Launch Club Media, because this channel is changing life. So this is, once you have an account, you upload your document. Please, this is very important. If you do not have a compelling CV and supporting letter, which you have shown somebody that you respect, that you know knows more than you, do not apply, because the competition for this place is going to be very, very competitive. Only the best student will be selected. So for you to stand a chance, you need to have a compelling personal statement and a CV. And in your personal statement / supporting letter, you need to explain how this organization's value aligns with you. What would you gain from attending this program, and how that will enhance your development and lead to improvement in your community. These are the things that you need to have answers. You need to have answers for this before you submit this your application. So that is very, very important. Show somebody that knows more than you. It is better for somebody that knows more than you to correct you than for you to rush and submit your application and you not hear back. So I hope you're taking on board what I'm saying. And if you're seeing value for what you're hearing, make sure you consider subscribing to Launch Club and share this video with anyone that you know whose discipline falls on this one of the requirements I've just mentioned. Share this video with them, because you could be transforming someone's life. You could be changing someone's destiny by doing that. So thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Make sure you watch out for the next video. And if you haven't seen the recent video that we did on IMF, Henceforth Foundation, and other internships, go and see them. Those internships are still on until ending of this month, and some of them the first week of January. That is the deadline. So you can still be able to apply for those ones. So go and you can look at them on our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. May God bless you. May God let your dream come true in 2024. 2024 will be your year. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.